Hi, I'm Ellen Gormley and welcome back to my channel. A few of you have mentioned maybe blue for the next color of the mandala blanket, which could turn into a sweater. And I have these two blues from our swatches here. So these are the available yarns that you guys have to choose from. So make sure that you take a good look at this so that you can choose the next color after today. But I thought, okay, here's my two blues. I'm not sure which ones you guys wanted. Part of me thinks I should go with the darker blue because the darkest color so far has been the purple, and it's been kind of in the middle, and it would be a nice contrast with the gray. So I think that is what I am going to do today. So I'm going to grab the blue, this darker, more royal blue, and add a slip knot to my yarn, grab my eye size hook, and join any stitch with a double crochet. So we're basically double crocheting in this first stitch. And after you see the blue on here, then you will hopefully have an idea of what color you want to vote for next down in the comments below. Make sure that you are commenting on this video, on these videos. Make sure that I get 25 people interested so that I know whether or not you want to continue. Once we get this circle, this mandala, the size of the width of our shoulders, then at that point we will turn it into one of those circular jackets. So as you know, this is an adaptation of the Greenery hat from my book, One Skein Crochet. And of course, the links to that are available below, and also the One Skein Crochet Greenery hat. There's a tutorial video. I think there's two of them, a right and left-handed, one on my YouTube channel, on this channel. So stay with me so that you can make all the wonderful versions of the Greenery project. So we're doing the Greenery blanket now. I hope you are joining along with your stash. So right now I am double crocheting in each stitch around. Are you working with your stash? Are you playing the dice game by choosing colors randomly with dice? Or are you choosing based on just how you feel day to day? Or are you doing it based on a temperature of your region? So this could be an awesome temperature blanket as well. So whatever method you're choosing, I hope that it is causing you or helping you to have a relaxing and valuable day, because as you know, I believe crochet is a valuable, relaxing and valuable use of our time. So I'm just really thrilled with how you guys have chosen the colors so far. What do you think so far? What do you think? The blue, is that a good, nice balance with the pale dove gray of the last round? I believe we're on round 10. I will make sure that it is appropriately labeled when I upload the video for the title, but I think we're on 10. We might be on 11, but I think we're on 10. And the last video, as you guys may remember, was this Ogo thing, this Ogo yarn. So I'm going to be playing with that, so make sure you stay tuned. I'm going to be playing with that, probably in a tapestry crochet style. I also have some yummy yarn that I bought in Saratoga Springs, New York, when I went to the Adirondack Wool and Arts Festival. So check out that video and see the lovely two yarns that I purchased so that I could make another project for you guys. I think there's a little bit of a sneak peek of the project in there somewhere in that little video of the Adirondack Wool and Arts Festival recap. Have you been to some good arts festivals lately? Please let me know in the comments below what your favorite arts and wools festivals are and whether or not they're happening this year. This is 2021. This is October when this video is first airing. So I'm curious if have the communities gone back to in person? Are things in person? Are things virtual? What do you think of virtual events? Let me know how you're coping with this whole COVID pandemic in terms of your yarn. I know all of us They say we're all in the same boat, but I very much like the expression that we're not all in the same boat. We're all in different boats, but we're in the same storm, because some of us have better boats, some of us have bigger boats, some of us are holding on to the outside of the boat, some of us have life jackets in our boat. So anyway, all of us are dealing differently with this same odd time in our world, and I hope you are getting through. Oh, look how different that is. Look how that adding that blue just transformed this mandala. So hang in there. I'm placing 1 double crochet in each stitch around. As I'm doing this, I will be careful to notice whether or not it is beginning to cup upwards. If it's starting to cup upwards like a bowl, it means there's not enough stitches. If it is starting to waffle like a sea anemone or ruffle around the edges, that means there's too many stitches. The goal in making a flat circle, of course, is to make it flat, neither cupping nor ruffling. So I think I'm going to stick with 1 stitch for 1 stitch for this round, and then on the next round it will be time to increase again. So we have already deviated from the greenery hat, but if you wanted to make a greenery beret, you would make a nice big flat saucer like this one, and then add a band onto it that is the correct circumference of the head. So if you are getting tired of this as a greenery blanket and want to make this an amazing, colorful greenery beret, then stick with me for another round or two in the next couple videos. Make sure you keep voting for the next colors, and then I will let you know when it's time to stop increasing and it abruptly decrease to form a band so that this becomes a beret style hat rather than a beanie style hat, as is in the One Skein crochet book. All right. Don't forget, I'm Ellen Gormley. I hope that you're subscribing to the channel and hitting the notifications bell so that you don't miss anything in this cool series. I think a lot of you are really having a fun time voting. Now, I will be looking for 25 comments on this video that tell me what color you think I should do next on this greenery blanket, so that you guys can be part of the show. So here's a lot of the colors you already see in the piece, and here's more colors. So those are the colors we have to work with. We are using Paint Box yarns, and we are using Knit Picks Brava yarns. Both yarns are linked in the description below the videos if you want to use my affiliate link. It does not cost you any extra at all, and I might get pennies on the dollar if you choose to purchase anything. And if you just go stash diving, I'm just as happy. You can always contribute to the channel by watching videos all the way through. You like them and subscribe, that helps a lot. If you go to my website and want to do a gift under the shop tab, if you just want to do a gift, you can do that. If you want to make a purchase, you can do that. Everything helps, comments, loves, likes, thumbs up. It all makes me happy and makes the channel grow. So this is what the blue looks like. I'm going to keep it. And please let me know what color you want in the comments below, and we will move on to the next color on the next video. Take care, everybody. See you soon. Bye.